For a man, figuring out how to consistently be on a woman's mind can be puzzling. It becomes especially challenging when you have a profound interest in her. However, with a bit of cleverness and dedication, you have the opportunity to grab her attention and make her continually reflect on your presence. Presented here are 5 effective strategies to guarantee that a girl regularly thinks about your existence. 5. Welcome the element of mystery. There's an innate attraction women feel toward an enigmatic atmosphere surrounding their significant others. While it's essential to reveal aspects of yourself that spark her curiosity, refrain from laying bare every detail. Resist the urge to spill your entire life story, interests, and opinions during initial encounters. Instead, concentrate on unwrapping the layers of her personality, igniting her interest, and enticing her to invest more time in discovering your complexities. 4. Nurture consideration. Engaging in small acts of kindness and consideration has the power to create a lasting impression in the mind of a girl. Keep in mind her likes, such as preferred colors, food choices, or favorite singers, and pleasantly surprise her with considerate actions. These gestures don't have to be grand, a random text, a sincere message, or a modest surprise gift can linger in her thoughts all day long. 3. Welcome confidence. Confidence functions like a powerful attractor, drawing attention in its wake. Women are naturally inclined towards individuals who exude self-assurance, displaying a clear understanding of their aspirations and the bravery to pursue them. Strive for assertiveness tempered with respect, highlighting your capacity to lead while maintaining an awareness and regard for her boundaries. This fusion of confidence and respect establishes you as an intriguing potential companion. 2. Invoke laughter. The ability to make someone laugh is a potent instrument for creating enduring memories. Women are inherently attracted to men endowed with a keen sense of humor capable of eliciting laughter. The act of laughing triggers the release of endorphins, establishing a favorable and cheerful connection with your company. Infuse the environment with clever jokes, entertaining stories, or good-natured teasing, maintaining a delicate equilibrium between amusement and respect. 1. Excel in the skill of attentive listening. Gaining expertise in the art of attentive listening is a crucial factor in embedding yourself in a girl's perpetual reflections. Women delight in being acknowledged, and encountering someone who genuinely participates in conversations makes them feel appreciated. Concentrate deeply during your interactions, ask relevant questions, and provide thoughtful responses. This method cultivates a feeling of involvement and rapport, creating a memorable impact.